Freedom means
Liberty of being yourself.
Expressing yourself.
The liberty to chase your dreams.
The ability to make one's own choice on how we want to live.
My day-to-day life, how I live my life.
We can dress up the way we want. Be allowed to choose.
Something that you are allowed to do what you love.
No obligations from my parents.
Power to express my own opinions.
Everybody should get a chance to do whatever they want.
anything that doesn't bound me with any kind of laws.
Not feeling any bondages for anything.
Yes, we should have equality.
Equality.
Definitely. It's very important.
बिल्कुल समानता जरूरी है.
Of course it is.
हर इंसान को समानता का हक है, उसे आज़ाद रहने का हक है.
Absolutely.
For every kind of class, religion, sex.
सिर्फ लैंगिक समानता वाली बात नहीं, सभी के बीच में चाहे वो बच्चे हों बड़े हों सबको समानता का पूरा अधिकार है. एंड आई बिलीव इन इट.
The rich and the poor, they should get equal rights.
Totally.
Everyone should be given an equal status.
They are equally human as us.
They are humans, they have the same blood, so why the are you discriminating between Muslims and Hindus and whatever's going on?
I think just because there are a few rotten apples in a basket, you cannot label off the entire basket as being rotten. That's my idea about Muslims.
I have no particular thoughts on Muslims. Every caste is the same.
Humanity is the only religion, that's what I follow.
Even they are humans, they should be treated in the equal way.
I don't believe in this Hindu and Muslim thing. It's always love for all.
I don't consider them different or anything else. I think they're as human as me or you, as any Sikh or as any Hindu.
There is no different thought about Muslims. There is no stereotype that okay, this is Muslim or this is Hindu.
If I love somebody from the same sex, I think I should have the full freedom to go forward with it.
उनकी भी अपनी एक जिंदगी होती है और उनको पूरी आज़ादी मिलनी चाहिए.
If a guy likes a guy, there's nothing wrong with that. I think he should have the freedom to follow his heart and do whatever he wants to.
We have a right to choose our sexuality. They should have a right to choose their sexuality and what kind of life or what kind of romantic relationships they want to have.
If any guy likes a guy, it's their personal choice, it's their personal wish.
Out of Indian borders, it's all normal between them. So why not here?
They are the most normal people in the world.
We do not categorize someone who's straight. So why categorize someone who's in the LGBT?
We support hashtag unfreedom.
I support hashtag unfreedom.
We support hashtag unfreedom.
I support hashtag unfreedom.
I support hashtag unfreedom.
I support hashtag and freedom.
I support hashtag unfreedom.
I support hashtag and freedom.
I support hashtag unfreedom.
I support hashtag unfreedom.
We both support hashtag unfreedom.
We support hashtag unfreedom.